Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Paper.io 2 skins. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so unlocking skins in Paper.io adds a fun layer of customization to your gameplay. Skins can be unlocked through various in-game achievements, daily activities, and special codes. Alright, so if you want to get achievement-based skins, so you can unlock these by hitting specific in-game milestones. So if you want the moose skin, you need to cover at least 10% of the map in one round. Elephant is 25%, and keep going down. If you want the hippo, you got to cover at least 80% of the map. If you want the unicorn, capture the entire map, and you get the gist here. So they are achievement-based skins. Daily activities. So playing consistently, you can unlock these. Cheeseburger plays at least one game. Box truck play 3 consecutive days. Airplane 7 days consecutive. And they've also got name-based secret skins. So just change your in-game name to unlock special skins. These currently work in when I'm making this video, early May 2025. So you can change your name to Doctor Doom, Thanos, Harry, or Thor for unique character skins if you didn't know that. Also, there are challenge skins. So certain skins are earned by completing challenges or specific tasks. I've jotted these ones down here. But skins don't affect gameplay. They are a fun way to stand out while conquering territory. Now, if you want a list of the rarest of coolest skins, I can give you that. Just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll give you a list of the rarest and coolest skins for this game.